Hi everyone, it's me, Justin Marco Villar, and today you are going to get to know me. As you get to know me, I have someone special together with me to ask me several questions about myself. I and me, correct? Tama. Okay, so we are lucky to have Mr. Mark Ashley Valdez.
Hello, Justin.
Hi, Mr. Mark Ashley Valdez.
It's nice to meet you here on your podcast.
Okay, nice to meet you as well.
And I prepared some questions for you. So we will get to know about you in this video. And here is your first question. Can you state your name and what is your preferred name or nickname?
Okay, I am Justin Marco M. Villar, and I prefer to be called Justin, but if you're close to me, you can call me Marco.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. So next question is what's your course or program?
I am currently taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. I am, by the way, a first year student of Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, Midlothian campus.
Okay, thank you. Next question is what motivated you to pursue higher education?
What motivated me to pursue higher education is to contribute to our country. Our country right now is facing several issues, and I want to use my voice as a future educator to educate the young people, the children of our tomorrow, and the children of our future.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Justin. Another question is can you tell me about your background in your childhood or on your family?
Okay, my family, I am living with my mom, dad, and my brother and sisters. We are a family of five, and I am the firstborn. And then my childhood, there is nothing special about my childhood because all of the interesting facts about me is during my high school years and senior high school years.
Okay. Another question is what's your goal in your life?
My goal in life is that to inspire other people, to motivate them to be their true self, to be or to show their potential to others. Because I believe that through showing that and through motivating them, it is for sure that they can make a positive impact in the community.
Okay, thank you, Justin. Next question is what do you hope to achieve in your studies?
My hope to achieve in my studies is that I don't achieve to be a Latin honor or I don't hope to be a Latin honor. All I want is to learn, to have a positive impact to other people, and to have something to offer to other children. And in addition to what I've said that I want to learn, I believe that you cannot teach what you don't have. That's why I need to learn and learn so I can teach and teach to other children.
All right. So next question is what do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Okay, what I enjoy doing in my free time is watching TikTok videos, Facebook Reels, something like those, and browsing through my Instagram.
Okay, thank you for the last question. Is there anything else you'd like to share about yourself?
Okay, if there's something that I want to share about myself is that I am a student leader. I am currently the Secretary of Good Governance of Ranyagan Boses and Tutubo. I am also the awarded La Union Youth Champion 2025 and La Union Youth Champion on Good Governance. I do also jungled five organizations during my senior high school, such as being an SSLB president, division PIO, municipal representative, barangay representative, and barangay youth leader.
Okay, I think that concludes our get to know video. And thank you for having me, Justin.
Thank you, Mr. Mark, Ashley, for joining.